Join us for a workshop to shape a new streetscape look for Commerce Avenue in downtown Longview. Commerce Avenue should be a safe and attractive destination point that strengthens the downtown Longview economy. That's the conclusion of the 2011 Downtown Action Agenda adopted last year by the City of Longview. Now, the city is hosting a 2-day streetscape design workshop on February 15th and 16th to move that vision to reality. Urban designers will be on hand at the workshop to capture people's ideas visually and create preliminary designs for a new look for Commerce Avenue. The workshop will be held in the Corton Building, 1400 Commerce Avenue in downtown Longview. The workshop will be open continuously from noon to 8 p.m. on Wednesday, February 15th, and again from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Thursday, February 16th. The workshop offers a unique format for people to see their ideas captured in real time. You can drop in just once for an hour or come by several times over the 2 days to see designs evolve. Presentations from 6 to 8 p.m. on both days will feature the design work done during the day and take additional public comments and ideas. At the end of the workshop, the city expects to have preliminary designs that reflect the community's best ideas for streetscape elements such as street lighting, expanded sidewalk space, public art, gathering places for public events, and planters or rain gardens that could manage stormwater runoff from the street. These preliminary designs will be refined over the coming weeks, and the Longview City Council will approve a final design for the detailed engineering drawings that will implement the streetscape work. For more information, visit the city's website at www.mylongview.com.